Essential is more than identifying standards and calling them essential. It's then cultivating the mindset where you put your back to the wall as a team and decide no kid is walking out of here without these because we've deemed them essential. That's how you treat an essential standard. That's how you treat a priority standard. So it doesn't matter who the kid is, what they look like, where they're from, who the mama is, where the daddy is. It does not matter. When you deem something essential, you treat it like it's essential. And when you do that, the human being is no more creative. There's no greater creative state when we manufacture, put our backs to the wall and decide there's only one way. There's only one outcome.